What if your soul isn't just one, but many? Welcome to the Oversoul, the divine source of all your soul fragments. The Oversoul is like a cosmic fractal, each soul a unique reflection of a greater whole. You're a piece of divine consciousness evolving through many lifetimes and experiences. This means your soul journeys aren't isolated. They're connected threads in the vast tapestry of existence, guiding you toward unity and growth. When you tap into your Oversoul, you step beyond ego and see the bigger cosmic picture. All souls are fragments of the divine, sparks of the same fire. We're all interconnected and evolving together. This knowledge can bring a sense of oneness and peace. It reminds us that we're not alone in our struggles and that we're all part of something greater than ourselves. So take a deep breath, relax into the tapestry, and trust that you're exactly where you need to be. Because when you feel disconnected, you're actually more connected than you can imagine.